Hello everyone, welcome to Tyson Buzic's Tech Tuesdays. My name is Tyson Buzic. This week on Tech Tuesdays, we're unboxing the EUFY Robo Vac 11S T2108. So as usual, we're going to go right into it and start the unboxing experience. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is what we have inside the box. We have the power adapter. We'll just set it aside there. We have the remote control. We also have the two AAA batteries for the remote control. We have a quick start guide and the owner's manual and other documents. The EUFY Robo Vac itself that we're going to set aside for now while we look at the charging base. So this is the charging base for the Robo Vac. We're going to set it aside as well. We also have 4 side brushes. And lastly, we have the cleaning tool. So we're going to set everything aside and have a closer look at the Robo Vac 11S. That's the EUFY Robo Vac 11S T2108. So this is what we have. I'm just going to show you around. Quite reflective glass finish. It's a quite reflective glass finish with the wooden design. At the bottom we have the charging or contact pins, the drop sensor, the swivel wheel, the side brushes, the wheels, the main wheels, the big wheels, the dust collector, the main power on and off switch, the rolling brush, the brush guard, and the battery compartment. So this is what we have, guys. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing video. I'm going to do a follow-up video where I'm going to show you how to assemble it and to set it up on charger so that you can start using it. See you on the next one.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down.